think we have enough time to cover the next one. Regularized evolution is going to use the same search space as you just saw, but it's going to replace reinforcement learning by an evolutionary algorithm. And this is an aging evolution algorithm. And for evolution, there is going to be some minor changes, which you're going to call them mutate. Then your architecture, you change it slightly, look at its performance, and then pick the best one. It's a combination of random search and selection. And selection is based on the performance metric that you have, for instance, accuracy. Any questions about this? One cool thing about these evolutionary algorithms is that they are much faster than reinforcement learning because these are highly parallelizable. These while loops, these for loops, if you have any loops that you have, you can do them in parallel. That's an advantage. That's why in less time, you're coming up with better architectures. I think I'm going to stop here. For those of you who have questions, I'll be around. For those of you who want to leave, you can leave. Okay. Any questions?
So can we understand it right? In the evolution method, there's no such a thing as a probability-based sampling. So basically, you have a ranking of the performance, and then you just keep the high performers and retire the low performers. And this way, you never get a chance to resample back to the ones that you don't want.
Exactly. So here, there is no recurrent neural network giving you a probability distribution over the search space. You are just randomly exploring your search space. And sometimes you find an architecture that is really good, and you keep it, and then you keep mutating that. And then, as you said, you're going to retire the old ones. So yes, you're right. There is no probability distribution on the search space.
So for someone who is trying to implement auto ML in, say, at work, would you recommend starting with this method?
Not yet. There are some other methods that we're going to cover next, and those ones are more manageable. These ones, you need to have a lot of resources at your fingertips. Even if you work at a smaller company, you're not going to have that resource. Okay.
Awesome.
You're going to need a lot of GPUs to train this or to find your architecture. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, sure.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yeah, see you.